back to my channel. It's How to Graphic Design here. I'm going to show you how to do this tutorial about how to create this 3D look typography with different colours and how to add calligraphy on top of it. I thought this was a really cute, unique idea, and I just wanted to show you. I showed it onto my Instagram. Go check out my Instagram. It's how to graphic design, and I'll soon be doing more of these tutorials. I want to get back into it, but I just been recently finished university about 4 months ago, so I haven't had time. So I'm just wanting to get back into these videos really, and you can use this in anything. You can use this on a card, a special occasion card. You can use this just for fun really, and play around and just try and get used to it really. I've been using the Apple Pencil, so it's basically the Apple Pencil can be used for creating drawings or creating typography and things like that. And today's tutorial is going to be in Procreate. So first of all, you want to go into Procreate and go to Gallery, create a new document. So just go on the plus sign, and today we're going to use the screen size. So just want to turn this over like this on this rotation, and first of all you want to go to add text, and you go on the little tool icon of the left hand corner on the next to the gallery, and you go on add text. So we're going to use hello today, and then you just get rid of the keyboard, press the little arrow key, and then you just drag it with your 2 fingers. You actually go onto the little blue cursor and make it bigger like that. Go on the left and then the right, and then you center it in the center of the page, and then you can go. So this is the layers palette. So you've got layer 1, which is your nothing really there, it's your background layer, which is all white, and then you've got the layer above it is the layer which says hello, which we've just been working on. So what you want to do is you want to duplicate this layer. So to create the same layer, just duplicate it. So you swipe left on the layer and then you press duplicate, and then we want to change the colour so it adds a layers effect on top of it. So you can choose any of your colours. I've got some already here, so you go on palettes and you can create, if you want me to create a new tutorial about how to create colour palettes, then just let me know in the comments section below, and we can go into that in more detail. But just for today we're just going to choose a colour. So I'm going to go for, I really want a pink, so just choose this one in here, and then so we go back to the layers palette, and then we want to go to the arrow key and move it slightly. So you've got the black bits behind the text, and then you've got the pink above it, over the top of it. And then what you want to do is go back to your layers palette, go swipe left and duplicate, and then that's made another layer on top of that. And then what you want to do is go back to the colours and pick a colour that you want to choose, and I'm going to choose blue, so that colour, and then go off the layers palette and then choose the arrow key and then move it slightly, and that's going to go on top. So obviously try and think how it's proportionally correct, like is it in the right position. So this takes a bit of patience really. So I've put it on like that. Then once you're happy with it, turn off the move tool, move the arrow key, and then so you can just zoom in and have a look there. So you've got, well, if it's not in the correct position when you zoom in, you can just go back to the arrow key and make sure you're on that layer, on the top layer, because that's the third layer. Just zoom in a bit and then go on the arrow key and move it. And that looks better now. That looks more, the symmetry is better, the proportions better. It looks neater really. So then once you've done that, we're going to go on the paintbrush tool and select the calligraphy, and then we're going to use the brush pen for today's tutorial, or you could use a monoline, whatever is easy for you. And then we're going to select the black colour, and then you can play around with this. So basically this is the brush opacity, so you want it right at the top. Make sure that's right at the top so you can see it clearly. And then you just want to test with the brush size. I'm going to say 10 or 11% or maybe more. So you can just play around with this. So just zoom in a bit and then make a new layer, of course, because this is a new layer and you start a new subject. So we just want to, so there is a technique of drawing with the brush pen, but with the calligraphy setting, it's sort of it's like handwriting. So it's like you're drawing on paper, and you're just going with the flow really. So just see what happens, and you can test this out really. So we're going to go in the centre. As you can see, that is quite thick, so you probably don't want that. You just get rid of that. You go on to go backspace and get rid of something, you just go on the arrow key. So you want it slightly thinner. Like that. That is a lot better. You can slightly see it. Just play around with it and see what's your preference really. I like it at the moment, it's quite modern. Probably need to make it slightly thicker so you can see it. Like that. It's like handwriting, and it does all the sort of curvy letters for you, so it's really good practice just to get the hang of it in your spare time and just practice makes perfect. So that's the end of the tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel and to see more videos like this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments sections below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.